Do you want to know how to use the rest of this year to make it the best of your years? In this Chinese horoscope forecast video, we will have a deeper look into the characteristics of the tiger and reveal what the rest of this year has to offer for them. Which months are easy in our unlocking opportunities, but also in which this Chinese zodiac sign has to be a bit more mindful. Because when you know what's coming, you can respond to it in a successful way, right? Do you know how to use your BaZi Chinese horoscope to make the best for your relationships, personal development, and business development in this second half of the water rabbit year? Let's see what's in it for you. So let me show you where to find out how to use the power of your personal BaZi to optimize and achieve your goals. And if you stay until the end, I will give you some special dates for the tiger in the second half of the water rabbit year, when to take action for luck and success in 2023. Hi, I'm Sandra, and I have been teaching and consulting Feng Shui, BaZi, meditation, and manifesting for over 2 decades now. First in Germany and now here in New Zealand and Australia. In this forecast video, we will have a deeper look into the characteristics of the tiger and what the rest of this year has to offer, which months are easy and which could be a bit more complicated for this animal sign. For this, we will have a look into the 4 pillars of destiny at the end of this video and what they can mean in relationship to your personal development, business development, and your relationships in general, for the tiger specifically. So do you know your personal BaZi, your Chinese horoscope? You may know the animal of the year you were born in, but did you know you have 3 more animal signs which are also important for your personal path in life? The animal sign you're born under in the month, day, and hour. And depending on where this animal sign sits, it can have a totally different meaning for you. Would you like to know more about them? Let me know in the comments if you do. So what is the tiger like in general? If you want to put it into one word, it would be courageous. The tiger is one of the most dynamic signs of the Chinese zodiac. So people born in tiger years are highly competitive. They are adventurous, very confident in their own abilities, and they are the sorts of who can and will get things done. Tiger people are aggressive, courageous, candid, and sensitive as well. Their passion, ambition, and all or nothing attitude can take them all the way to the top in whatever they endeavor to do. They crave excitement and, on the flip side, get bored easily. Tigers fiercely stand up for what they believe in, and for this, coupled with their courage and dedication, they are respected by both friends and foes. So what is this year for the tiger? So just a reminder, the year governor is still the waterwood rabbit, which is rooted in wood. So this year is all about inner development, upskilling, intuition, new beginnings, well-being, harmony, and healing. But beware, compromises might be necessary for that. Concentrate on what is important. So what does that mean for the tiger this year? So after having had his own year with his direct and very yang way of doing things, as well as the ability to shine and sometimes ruffle some feathers in 2022, the rabbit in 2023 is a bit softer and brought in a more diplomatic way. Both love personal development, just with a different voice. If the tiger manages to be a bit softer as well, they will get very far this year. They both stand for expansion. So use that to expand your capacity to lead, even without elbows and claws. You really don't need that, dear tiger. A bit more finesse instead of loud roar will get you so much further in 2023. You will be surprised. And take time to retreat from time to time to develop your own plans. Once the dragon comes into the field in 2024, it is time for action, time to play. And that needs to be well planned, not just for you tigers, by the way. So let's have a look at the months to come, seeing if there are any special months waiting for the tiger. July is a goat month. Goat and rabbit together means solidarity. So maybe it is time to look into volunteering for a good cause or to shine, whatever floats your boat. But be realistic about the time you put in. You definitely don't want to endanger your own projects. Get rid of what is not serving you this month, be it physical or mental. August is the monkey month, so it's your clash month. Yes, negative thoughts may come up, but do you really have a reason for that? So far, all went well, didn't it? Focus on what works and celebrate your outcomes so far. Stop doubting yourself and use the time to enjoy. The strong metal this month invites you to make sharp decisions, to separate the wheat from the chaff, business as well as private. September is the Rooster month, which is the year breaker. So some things just can't be changed. Let them go. And concentrate on what you can change. Don't waste your energy and time on projects that won't work out. Patience is not really your strength, I know. But if there is one or the other delay, please just take it as it is. It will work out in the end. Just a bit slower for the moment. So if you combine your stamina with your skill to negotiate, you will create a far better outcome than banging your head against the proverbial wall. October. The dog. The dog has a combine with the rabbit. So ask yourself, who is really supporting you? Look twice at the people surrounding you. Who is there for you when in need? The dog will help you finding that out, but also, where is your loyalty? What and who is important to you? When you find that out, it will be so much easier to push your own agenda, build connections you can rely on. The dog month is perfect for that, not just for tigers, by the way. November, the strong yin water of the pig in November could make you retreat a bit more this time of the year and look inside. Self-reflection is a good place to start with your inner development. Is there something you wanted anyway? Taking care of yourself and knowing your own needs better is a good starting point to also take care of others. A theme that accompanies the whole year already. Be a good example and avoid doing things you don't want to see from others. Be the role model that you truly are. December, the red month. Stop thinking about what could have been. Concentrate on what you still can do and achieve until the end of this year. With the wood in tow, which nurtures growth and upskilling, ask yourself, what can you do now to grow and expand even more in the future? January, the ox month. Keep on working on your inner wisdom and growth. What flows, flows. And if it doesn't flow, maybe it is time to rest and pause, filling up your batteries, getting ready for the new duke to come, the dragon. And just for you, Tiger, I'm having a little outlook for the February, because this is your month. It's your time to shine. It will be. The fire tiger together with the wood dragon will get things done, and it will be time to take action. But this will be a chapter for next year. So the thing is, do we have to wait until the perfect month comes to activate our luck and success? Well, the effects may be stronger if they're contained in the year and the months, but we also have the animal of the day, or even down to the hour if you wanted to do that. Let's have a look at some special dates for the tiger to go even deeper. So July is a goat month. The goat builds a 3 combination with rabbit and pig. So we're looking at the pig days, 16th and 28th, stable days. So a good day for planning with long-term effects, no quick fixes. 16th is excellent with the I Ching of advancement, brilliant hours from 11 to 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., which have a really good meditation energy with the mountain I Ching. 28th, also excellent in July with I Ching delight and good hours from 11 to 1 p.m. August, monkey month, your clash. So stay low. You are the month breaker. There might be some changes on the horizon. Be open, embrace them, change or be changed. You know, that's one of my mottos, isn't it? September, the Rooster month, is the year breaker. This could also mean some changes, but lower key than the ones before. You could use your own days in September. They are initiate dates, which are good for starting something. So maybe if there was a change in August, this is the time to start something. 17th is really good with abundance in the back, and the 29th has fire. So, which you like. So from 3 to 5 p.m. Good times. October. October is a dog month. The tiger gets a 3 combined with the horse. So we are looking at the horse days. 15th and 27th are success days. So enjoy the fruit of your effort. But that also means you have to have planted a seed to put work in at some time, at some point in time. Then your success will come to fruition. The 15th is an excellent day. Great stars from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Well, I think I really have to start making plans for that day now. The 27th, another auspicious day. Great times from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Use them. November is a pig month. So we're having a combination with the rabbit, the Duke of the Year. So this is for all of us auspicious. So we're looking for the goat days. And dear tiger, you have also combined as well. So the whole month should be really flowing for you. It should be now, you started something and now you're going in it. So if you want, you can top it with making use of the goat days for the 3 combined with the rabbit and the pig. They are again success days. You wonder why I suggest them? Don't wonder, just follow. It's the 9th, the 21st and the 3rd of December. On the 9th, the really good hours are from 3 to 5 p.m. On the 21st, really good hours from 9 to 11 a.m. and December 3rd is 9 to 11 a.m., 3 to 5 p.m. They are really good hours for all of us, more or less, but tiger, you can really top it in there. Good. December, red month. You can use your own days. They are full days, so it's good to launch something, good for one-time events. And it's the 10th and the 22nd, which is also solstice day. So the 22nd is really a good day to use for launching, for starting, for maybe coming back to something. Okay, January is an ox month, so I don't have much for you there. Sorry about that. So, question is now, where do you have the tiger in your personal BaZi? Which pillar? And just to remind you, year pillar stands for the social aspect of your life and how you behave amongst friends, acquaintances, and your luck with them in general. Month pillar is representing your career, the industries where you might find the most opportunities, your ability to provide value, and how you would do your job best. Day pillar is about who you are on a fundamental level, your inner nature, your core, what makes you unique, as well as representing your love life. We're having the self and the spouse pillars in there. Our pillar is representing your thoughts, ambitions, and goals in life, as well as the aspects of children, investment, and employees. So depending on where the tiger sits in your BaZi, this is the area to take action now. Is there a clash happening? Is there a combination happening? Is it the day pillar? Is it the job and career pillar, the day pillar? Your relationship? Is it in your month pillar, job and career? Sorry about that. Your relationship is your day pillar. Your business could be in your year pillar, your investment, our pillar. And you also now know where the best days and months are to take action. Looking out for combinations and clashes as well to find luck and success in 2023. So now that you know all of that, what is the one thing? The one thing you can do in one of those areas now or on the dates that I've just gave you to either change your course if you don't like it or bring you forward on the course that you've already started. One thing to prepare the path. Take the first thing that comes to mind and write it down right now. This is the thing to do. And you know, it doesn't have to be a massive effort. It's interesting how sometimes small baby steps are preparing the path with much more ease than a huge step. And you're overwhelmed by the sudden changes and you stop completely. We don't want that. And you now know that you have 4 animals that define your possibilities and opportunities for much more than the rest of the water rabbit year. So if you have a bad month in one year, let's say in one pillar, let's say in the day pillar, it's not a good month for your day pillar. Look at the other pillars. So if you can't succeed in this month with your inner journey, maybe it's your business journey, maybe it's the market, maybe it's your friends that you look for in this month. So now that you know all that, stay tuned for more insight and forecasts about the other animals of the Chinese zodiac here on this channel. And you will hear what the emphasis in the last month of this water rabbit year is to optimize and achieve your goals in whichever section it is good for. Because next year is going to be a wood dragon year, and it's time to take action then. Plan accordingly. It will be a totally different game next year. And if you want to know what's best for this month, well, have a look at my monthly The Power of BaZi monthly forecast series, also here on this channel. So, let me know what your thoughts are. I would love to hear it. Where are you struggling? Where are you thriving? Where do you need some more advice? Let me know. Have a fabulous time and see you again soon. Bye for now.